everybody. Good morning. I'm here with Uncle Mick.
So what's the diagnosis so far then, Phil? We had a machine that's been revving its head off.
Yeah, we can't say words we were using earlier, can we?
No, we can't swear because it's on YouTube.
Okay, so we had a lawnmower here that was slightly over revving. Put it this way, if it was upside down, it would have been a helicopter.
But now
Mick's had a play with it, and it's no longer revs because he's found a problem with the governor spring. But the mower is still hunting a bit. So we're now going to go and check my work to see if I've cleaned the carburettor properly.
Marks out of 10. We shall see. So as you can see, I just cleaned out Phil's carburettor, and this was all cleaned out beforehand. He told me this was a clean carb, but as we can all see in there, and if you're going to get that, I'll tell you what I do. I'll pull that out onto a clean bit of rag. Okay, clean bit of rag. There you go. Let's just pull this out, just so you can get it. Obviously, Phil come round here, big and bullshit like he does. Right.
Stop using it for an ashtray.
And he told me that this carburettor was clean. Okay, let me just pull this out. Get rid of all of that. That's it. Get rid of it. And now, as you can see, what's all that there then, Phil? What's all these specks of bits?
That's fag ash, mate.
Yeah, that's all clean. Well done, Phil. Love your carb cleaning. Right, so diagnostics on Phil's little bag of what proverbial. We've got compression about 50 psi low. Poured a 45 low. Poured some oil down the head, didn't we?
Yeah.
And now we've got oil coming out the bottom of the head, which tells me possible head gasket. That's why we're getting a bit of a noise. Phil can't remember if he put a new head gasket on it. That'd be age related. But he's going to go back now and order a new head gasket for it and put that on, and hopefully that will solve the compression issue, which then should also solve the because you're not getting no back pressure coming through. That should then also solve your hunting issue. However, with a little bit of Micks Mowers, we have now got the machine running without hunting. But it's not running correctly. It's running incorrectly because I've had to adjust the tick over. So now we have got no throttle movement on it. So Phil, new head gasket.
Yeah, that'll be ordered this afternoon when we get home.
I would definitely order an LHP 90 16 carburettor for it, definitely.
Yeah. And
trial it. And if it doesn't fix it, you've got to spare as an investment. But yeah, diagnosis, head gasket. But the machine is now running, and it runs well compared to. It might not run quite so well now because it's got oil down the head, so it may not like this, but we shall see. So the machine runs. But it's not running correct, so there's a bit more work to do. Head gasket change, tighten the bolts back up as per spec, and new carburettor just to check. But do your head gasket first,
yeah,
before you go any further. Anyway, that'd be £2,000 you owe me.
Absolutely no problem whatsoever. Put it on the bill.
On the bloody bill. Leave it.